IN-DRÄN Biobed 5 CE is a factory-produced filter bed constructed on all the advantages that classic in-drain filter beds have, but installed on a much smaller area. The Biobed is perfect for holiday houses as well as for permanent living. The Biobed is encapsulated and ready to use from factory, which makes it easy to install even in difficult conditions. The excellent bacterial reduction of the Biobed gives good protection to your close environment, and of course it's included in our 10-year performance guarantee. The Biobed is CE marked and meets the highest demands of wastewater cleaning by far as the outgoing water can be compared with good swimming water quality based on the EU Swimming Water Directive. The cleaning process is divided in 3 steps: pre-treatment of phosphorus, sludge separation, and finally the biological treatment process. The EcoTreat phosphorus removal unit is placed inside the house and dispenses chemical fluid through the house canalization into the septic tank. The chemical binds phosphorus and small particles in the septic tank, which reduces the organic load on the Biobed and extends the lifetime of the system. Our septic tanks are built with one chamber, and the sludge separation process is controlled with a flow damper at the inlet and a T-pipe section at the outlet. This design imitates the big municipal sedimentary pools where the water flows steady and slow through the sedimentation pool to give a better result for the sedimentation process than a septic tank divided with chambers. Heavy particles sink to the bottom of the septic tank, and light particles, such as toilet tissue and fat, float to the surface. The water is drained through the T-pipe, placed in the area between the floating fats and the bottom sludge, where the water is clear. When the water reaches the Biobed, a primary bioskin is formed in the modules, and the special structure of the in-drain modules allows a very large surface of bioskin to grow. A secondary layer of bioskin will grow on the surface of the biogravel under the modules, which purifies the last of the organic material. The biogravel in the system ensures an effective reduction of bacteria. It is important to have proper ventilation to the Biobed, as the biological process requires a lot of oxygen to function. The oxygen reaches the Biobed through the ventilation pipe in the canalization from the house without a non-return valve. The second source of air supply is the electrical fan that is mounted on the outlet of the Biobed. In the outlet water trap, a water sample can easily be taken when necessary before the purified water is drained to the recipient.